Tired of switching tabs to copy and paste? This Chrome extension will save your time. Open Chrome and go to the Chrome App Store. Search for Clipboard History Pro. Open it. Click on Add to Chrome and confirm by clicking Add Extension. Now you can copy multiple text and access them from anytime extension icon. To use it, go to the extension option and pin it to shortcut. Now open any website. I use vidIQ here to show you. While copy any text from here, you can copy by both method by selecting and right click and copy, or you can directly copy from keyboard by pressing Ctrl+C. You can see here I have copied to different text. You can select any of this, or you can select multiple options and copy all here, and you can paste all the copied items. So if you like this tip, you can like the video and subscribe the channel for more tech fixes.